Hi friends, this is Mohsin Sheikh from The Fitness Mechanics. Basically, Fitness Mechanics is a one-stop store for all kind of spare parts for fitness equipment. We are specialized in selling spare parts for any kind of fitness equipment. Let's visit our warehouse. See, these are the treadmills from the big gyms or big companies in UAE. They send the fitness equipment to repair over here. We repair for them for the fitness equipment. That's why they sell it to our place. We repair for them, we give them, they take spare parts from us. These are the plies, deck. Basically it is known as deck. So it is 15 mm, 18 mm and 25 mm. Available in any size. You just give me the size, I'll cut it for you. I'll make the size, I make the holes for you and give it to you. Come. The space is little messy, but no problem, you can see our warehouse. This is our repair center where all electronic repairing is been done. You can see inside. You can visit inside and have a check about you can see Techno Gym, Precor, Cybex, Life Fitness, everything inside. It's being repaired over here. So now I'll take you to the warehouse. Basically the main thing in the treadmill is the belt. So we are having stock of the belt. Over thousands of belts are there in the stock. Any sizes, 1.6 mm, 1.8 mm, 2 mm, 2.6 mm, 3 mm. You give me the size, within 2 minutes I'll give you the belt. You can see the ropes of the ski machine, the concept machine. See how many, there are 9 sizes we are having. You can see the cable of gym equipment, the weight segment, 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm, all available. You can see the locks, the timber lock for strength machine. Over 80 to 95 varieties we are having. We are having plastic parts, anything. You just tell me I need that, I give you. Lock pin, pulley, all sizes, key belts, Kevlar belts. Whatever you tell me, you just tell me that I am facing this problem, I'll give you that. So these are all the stock of the plastic parts, and behind there we are having all electronic parts also, like Techno Gym, Cybex, Rise. Let me show you. Life Fitness display. Come. Techno Gym Drive, inverter, Techno Gym inverter, Techno Gym displays, Life Fitness inverters, all the inverters, anything you want. Life Fitness incline motor, I can give you. You want Precor incline motor, I can give you. You want anything, you tell me, I'll give you. See, Life Fitness boards, just see the board. Anything, you just tell me. So basically this is not the first store. We are having a big store in India. So we are basically based in UAE for you. We have came from India by seeing the demand of the spare parts in this market. So within a couple of months we are going to open our store in Oman, Saudi, Qatar, Bahrain. There are 4 stores to be opening soon within 1 or 2 months. So inshallah, if you need us there also, we are 24/7 over there to help you. In the end of the video, I'll give you my website also. You can log in over there. For any inquiry, you can contact us. Now you can see my display center also. Okay, so have a look. This is the display for all kind of fitness equipment. This is for rowing machine, cycle. This is for domestic treadmills. This is inverter for AC treadmills. These are all the plastic parts. These are the lock pins used in the strength machine. Pedal for cycle, concept, seats, strips. These are the lock pin for strength machine, pulley, wire cutter. This is the crimping tool. This is crank. This is Life Fitness crank. This is lock chain, assault chain, grips. electrical pedals, belts, this is inverters, this is accessories, incline motor and motors. If you need any kind of spare parts for fitness equipment, feel free to contact us at Fitness Mechanic.